Welcome to this video tutorial on how to capture audio and video content through the video mixer in D403. Today I'll be showing you how video is captured using a Blackmagic designed Decklink Studio card and how audio is captured using the audio inputs provided on the motherboard. In this tutorial we will be looking at how to directly capture video using Adobe Premiere Pro, and how to capture both audio and video using Microsoft Expression Encoder. If you would like to use the direct capture facility provided with Premiere Pro, you'll be able to record video. However, you will not be able to record audio simultaneously. Premiere Pro captures video through the digital port, in this case using a FireWire cable. Premiere Pro saves and captures the footage to the disk as files and imports the files into projects as clips. Here's how to do so. Make sure the computer is connected to the camera using the yellow FireWire cable. Once that's done, you can launch the Adobe Premiere Pro application using the icon shortcut provided on the desktop. After doing so, click on New Project. Choose the location that you would like to save the file and then click OK. After doing so, make sure the sequence settings are set to Canon XF MPEG-2, 1080p and that 25 frames per second is selected. Choose your sequence name and then click OK. The first thing I'd recommend to do is to go to Edit, Preferences, Capture, to check the current capture settings are correct. The default settings are usually alright, however it's good to know what and where the preferences are. If you're happy with the settings, click OK to start. To open the capture window, go to File, Capture, or you can do this by clicking on the keyboard shortcut F5. The capture window will then appear on screen. As you can see, a preview panel appears in the middle of the screen, showing one of the two cameras set up in the studio. Currently, the left camera is shown. However, this can be changed by moving the T-bar on the mixer up to change the display of the recording camera. The status display shows whether the device is currently on or offline. It currently says that the device is offline. Now this means that the program has detected that the camera is there, however, you're unable to control it from the bottom control panel. The tape transport and controls are at the bottom of the screen, and a bunch of settings are on the right side. So let's have a look at the settings by clicking on the Settings tab. By clicking on Edit, we're able to change the capture format to Blackmagic Capture and click OK. Under that, we have the Capture Locations pane. In most cases, this is left to the default setting, as the video is captured in the same location as the project. The same goes for the audio. Under that, we have the device control. Ensure the device captures to Blackmagic Device Control. If you press record, the camera will start to record your clip. This is shown by the capture duration at the top of the screen. By clicking stop, the shot will then start recording and ask you to save the name of the file. It's as simple as that. If you would like to capture both audio and video, this can be done using Microsoft Expression Encoder. The first thing you need to do is launch the Microsoft Expression Encoder 4 application using the shortcut icon provided on the desktop. When the encoder opens, the project settings link must be set to Richard 2. To configure the video capture card, click on Video Device and select Decklink Video Capture. Then click Configure. This now opens the Blackmagic Properties box, where you must select HD 1080i 50 10-bit 422 YUV for video mode. Then select the audio device and configure the Realtek high definition audio property. For the output settings, click on the Output tab and then click the File Archive option. Once all your options are correctly configured, you can begin the capture process by clicking on Start. This will save an encoded file onto the C drive. So that's basically it. By going through and following these simple steps, your video will be captured and recorded to exactly how you want it. But before I go, here are a few tips to take away. Make sure the FireWire cable is connected to both the camera and computer. Leave a 2 or 3 second gap in between the start and end of each recording to help you edit the sequence more efficiently. For more information on how to studio capture, feel free to ask your lecturer or even a technician. Good luck!